Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the InvestEngine app stock on loading screen. First, check your internet connection and make sure that it is working properly. Loading issues are often caused by slow or unstable connections. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Look for the app, swipe it away, completely closing it. Wait for a few hours and then restart the app. This refreshes the app and fixes any temporary loading bugs. You should also restart your smartphone to clear background processes that might be affecting the app. Next, head over to your app store or your Play stores, then search for the InvestEngine app and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Play Store. If you are using Android, go to settings, then apps, then InvestEngine, then stores, and hit the clear cache to remove temporary files that may be causing the loading issues. Another helpful solution is logging out and logging back into your file again. If the app gets stuck on loading screen, long press on the app icon, remove app, delete app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the app store, search for it and reinstall it. And that's how you fix the InvestEngine stuck on loading screen. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more helpful guides.